And as a part of its countrywide protests against demonetization in Guwahati, the Congress took out a massive rally against the cash ban. Thousands of Congress supporters took to the streets and tried to storm into the Deputy Commissioner's office in Guwahati. When they were stopped by security forces, the Congress leadership in Assam sees demonetization as a major plank to hopefully relaunch its political activities in the state after losing the state assembly polls.
We are now joined by Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi. Gaurav, what is the reason why are you taken out this rally?
The people of India believe that the Prime Minister, when he said that after 50 days, situation will change. After 50 days, there has been no change in situation. No major black money has been found. No major black money holders have been arrested. On the other hand, the poor are continuing to suffer. This is why demonetization is a failure. The Prime Minister should accept responsibility, should accept the fact that demonetization is a failure. He should speak on why his name is mentioned in the Sahara Bill papers. The poor who have been suffered for so long, only to see that black money is currently still residing with the rich. The poor, the farmers, the small traders, they should be compensated. This is a protest we are doing is to demand relief for the poor and the majority of Indians, to demand action against those in the government who perpetrated this monumental mismanagement.
Also, do you think that demonetization can be a good political plank for Congress to revive its fortunes in Northeast?
The Congress party has always been fighting for the cause of the poor. Since day one, the BJP is attacking the poor, whether it's the land acquisition policy, whether it's the rise of prices of food, whether it's the rise of petrol and diesel. Demonetization is another surgical strike on the poor, and the Congress party has always been speaking about the poor and the oppressed. We will continue to do this. This is only the beginning. This is not the end. And in the end, we will definitely have a victorious outcome, because this movement is for truth, for justice, and for majority of Indians.